Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources.
Forex Live. September 2nd. 11:41 America New York. Major European indices close moderately higher. Modest gains. Changes for most of the major indices provisional closes are showing. In other markets as London, European traders look to exit. The commodity currencies are strongest with the NZD, AUD and CAD leading the way. Forex Live. September 2nd. 11:34 America New York. Citi's FX playbook for non-farm payrolls. Citi on Friday's data for bank trade ideas. Citi discusses its expectations for the USD reaction around tomorrow's NFP report for the month of August. As a frame of reference.
BBC News Business. September 2nd. 11:19 America New York. Food production in the UK at risk of moving overseas, warns industry. A retail group warns the sector is under such strain that some food production may have to leave the UK.
New York Times Business. September 2nd. 11:17 America New York. General Motors to idle more factories because of chip shortage. The automaker is suspending production of some of its most profitable vehicles. General Motors is suspending production at 6 North American plants for 2 weeks. New York Times Business. September 2nd. 11:04 America New York. House committees demand F.D.A. records on Alzheimer's drug approval. The agency approved Biogen's Aduhelm, despite concerns raised by experts, committee leaders said in a letter.
Forex Live. September 2nd. 11:02 America New York. Oil nears one-month high after breaking $70. Demand hopes rise as Delta fades. WTI up $1.80 to $70.40. The pace of U.S. COVID hospitalizations fell yesterday for the first time in this wave. Globally, cases are also showing more signs of a slowdown. Forex Live. September 2nd. 10:57 America New York. Crude oil moves above $70. Breaks above a swing area near $69.62 drilling down to the hourly chart. The move above the $69.64 area opened the door for the run higher and above the $70 level.
Digital Finance. September 2nd. 10:53 America New York. Central banks back CBDC project to affirm sovereignty. Project Dunbar could become the SWIFT of digital fiat currencies, if central banks can work together. The post-central banks back CBDC project to affirm sovereignty appeared first on Digital Finance.
Forex Live. September 2nd. 10:39 America New York. The next leg of energy inflation will come from natural gas. Another tight U.S. natural gas supply report, the just released EIA U.S. natural gas storage showed a 20 BCF addition to supply, falling short of the 25 BCF expected. Forex Live. September 2nd. 10:33 America New York. USD CAD remains under hourly moving averages. Sellers leaned against the 200-hour moving average at the session highs. The USD CAD moved sharply lower on August 20th, August 23rd and August 24th. The price move took the pair's price from a high of 1.29483 to a low of 1.25778.
BBC News Business. September 2nd. 10:16 America New York. China to rein in star salaries in media crackdown. The regulator says it will shun actors with effeminate styles, punish tax evaders and limit reality shows.
Daily FX Market News. September 2nd. 10 o'clock America New York. AUD, USD breaks out of descending channel to trade above 50-day SMA. AUD, USD may stage a larger recovery over the remainder of the week as the exchange rate trades above the 50-day SMA, 0.7375, for the first time since June.
Forex Live. September 2nd. 10 o'clock America New York. U.S. July factory orders plus 0.4% meter per meter versus plus 0.3% expected. U.S. July factory orders data revisions to durable goods. Forex Live. September 2nd. 9:57 America New York. U.S. dollar breaking lower. New lows for the greenback versus the EUR, GBP, AUD and NZD EUR/USD. The EUR/USD has broken above the 1.18507 to 1.18568 swing area, see earlier post. The pair has entered into the upper extreme area going back to the end of July-early August between 1.18568 and 1.19081.
Naked Capitalism. September 2nd, 9:55 America, New York. Mask mandates save lives. Who'd have thunk it? Those crazy doctors in operating rooms are onto something. Masks work.
Forex Live. September 2nd, 9:54 America, New York. US dollar increasingly on the defensive ahead of non-farm payrolls. A soft report could undo the dollar narrative. The market is obsessed with the US jobs picture at the moment, but it might have overlooked other signs of weakness in the US economy.
Wall Street Journal Markets. September 2nd, 9:53 America, New York. Speak no evil of the S&P 500's never-ending records. Investors buying stocks no matter what shouldn't fool themselves that the future will deliver the chunky returns of the past decade.
Armstrong Economics. September 2nd, 9:49 America, New York. Gold clarification. Let me explain something. What I have pointed out about gold is that it does not rally merely because of inflation or the rise in debt. It will rally when we are looking at the collapse in confidence.
Forex Live. September 2nd, 9:29 America, New York. NZD/USD moves above the 100-day MA. But has the 200-day MA above the NZD/USD has moved the 100-day MA at 0.70803. That is a bullish development. Stay above keeps the buyers in control. Forex Live. September 2nd, 9:24 America, New York. US equities set for a solid open. Equities futures S&P 500 futures are pointing to a 12-point gain at the open. That will erase the late-day slide yesterday and put the index back within striking distance of all-time highs. Forex Live. September 2nd, 9:08 America, New York. What explains the drop in US auto sales? It depends on who you ask. What's the story here? US auto sales fell to 3.01 meters in August in a drop from 3.43 meters the month before, according to the Department of Commerce. The bad news is that it's about to get worse.
Wall Street Journal US Business. September 2nd, 9:05 America, New York. Alibaba pledges $15.5 billion as Chinese companies extol common prosperity push. The e-commerce giant became the latest in a series of big Chinese companies to take up Beijing's drive to bolster social equality.
Forex Live. September 2nd, 9:02 America, New York. GBP USD keeps the lid on the pair. Stays below a swing area and the 200-day MA. The GBP USD traders have taken the pair higher today. However, the price high, like yesterday and Tuesday, found willing sellers against overhead resistance defined by a swing area between 1.3790 and 1.38022. See yellow area and red numbered circles.